This is Ricardo with RZ Floor and Bath Covering. I want to walk you guys through this block fence project my team and I have just finished up out here in Mesa, Arizona. In this video, I'll be walking you guys through the completion of the project, and towards this end of the video, I'll be showing you what it used to look like before. So here we have a block fence, block wall in this patio. It's about 2.5 feet tall. We installed a custom gate. We reinforced all of this block fence with ladder wire. We also reinforced it with rebar. And let me walk you guys through it. We did a coat of stucco, a skim coat, and then we did a texture coat to match the existing wall texture on this house. So as you can see, look at this custom gate. Very professionally made by our welder. Check it out. Opens and closes perfectly. See that? No issues. As you can see, a nice coat of stucco texture. Check it out. See how it matches close to the wall of the house? Guys, if you want to get a hold of us, you can by going down in the descriptions and reaching out to us. Our website will be there. If you guys have any projects you'd like to get done over at your property, we also got these two small holes here for water drainage. Check it out. I know it might be a little bit hard to see because of the shade and the sun. But yeah, this is the small block fence we built for our client out here in Mesa, Arizona. And this is it. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Stay tuned to the end so you can see what it used to look like before. Thank you. All right, as you can see, first coat of stucco and then second coat with texture has been applied on this small block fence. Stucco texture has been applied to match the existing texture on this home. You can see it matches the existing texture. So far so good. We've installed rebar, some ladder wire to reinforce this block fence. We also got these small holes here for drainage. As you can see, we got the ground covered up and everything.